Fagor, real solutions for everyday lives. Discover SPOUTNIK, a revolutionary new concept in microwaves. SPOUTNIK is a compact freestanding microwave with an innovative domed design that is compact on the outside whilst being spacious on the inside. Being very versatile, SPOUTNIK's unique design gives you a 360-degree panoramic vision. SPOUTNIK comes in a galaxy of bright colours: blue Odyssey, ultraviolet and green flash. SPOUTNIK features a smart illuminated turntable that changes from red while the dish is cooking to blue when the dish is ready. SPOUTNIK's transparent cover allows you to have a 360-degree view of what's cooking inside, giving you more control over your cooking. With an exclusive, smooth opening system, the internal cooking area is completely accessible, making it much easier to clean than traditional microwaves. The 28cm turntable incorporates grid lines to help you centrally position your dish. Because of its unique design, you can cook a variety of meals in the SPOUTNIK. Thanks to the electronic LCD display control panel, you can easily view and select the correct cooking mode from 4 separate options: reheat, high temperature, low temperature and defrost. Then just select the desired cooking time and press start. Or simply press the quick start button.